Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I have my friend here, Carmyn. We're going to make some cookies for you today. So we're going to show Carmyn some cookies that my sister used to make when she was still with us. And you ready to make some? They're peanut butter cookies, and we have some dark chocolate Hershey Kisses. How does that sound?
Good.
Sound good? Okay, we have very clean hands. We've washed our hands. These are the cookies we're using. They come in the package. The dough is pre-made. If you want to make your own dough, you can make your own dough. We didn't want to. And this is how it looks in the package. So Carmyn, what I'm going to let you do, let's put that away, is see these little squares of cookie dough? Put one in each. Let's spray the pan first. What do you say? We want to get our cookies out, don't we? There's no sense in making them if we can't get them out of the pan, right? And listen, don't spray over the flour. You know why?
Because it's going to be slippery.
That's right. It's going to be slippery. And we don't want to foul, do we?
No.
Now. All right, so let's put one square of cookie dough in each one of these, okay? So I'm going to let Carmyn put that cookie dough in, and once we get finished with that, we're going to come back and show you what we're going to do, okay? Okay, she has all of her cookies in this tray. We're using the mini muffin tin, and I don't think I told you the cookies we're using, this package makes 24 cookies. If you buy the one that makes 12, they're larger, cut them in half. So we're going to bake these according to the directions on the package at 350 degrees, and we're going to bake them. It says 10 to 14 minutes, but y'all know my oven bakes a little slower, so it's going to probably take 14 to 15. So let's get them baked, and we're going to come back and show you what else Carmyn's going to do to them, okay? We have taken these cookies out of the oven. Look here. See, that's what they look like. Now, what Carmyn is going to do, and I'm going to help her, I'm going to watch her real close because this is hot, okay? So we have to be real careful. Let's take one of these kisses. We're using dark chocolate, and we're going to set it right here on top of this cookie and just barely press it in. Can you do that? Looky there. Perfect. And we're going to get these kisses in these cookies, and then we're going to set them back in the oven for about a minute. We just want these kisses to get real soft. And then we're going to come back and we're going to try one for you, okay? All right. You want to show these to the camera? We put these back in the oven for 1 minute. See how shiny that chocolate is? And it is just soft. And now we're going to take them out of this pan. I'm going to do it because it's hot, okay? And we're going to put them on this pretty tray we have here. You ready? And we're going to try one. Oops.
That one broke.
It did, but you know what? It'd be okay. That chocolate will glue it back together. I'm using my offset spatula and just going around the edge, and it's loosening, but we sprayed the pan before we started. There's no reason to make something if you can't get it out of the pan, right? Y'all have heard me say that so many times.
Yeah.
And we want to be able to eat these. So we're going to put these out on this pan. We're going to come back. We're going to let them cool for just a minute. And then we're going to come back and we're going to try one for you because I'm excited about these cookies. These are ready. Isn't that a beautiful tray? Looky there. Now, you ready to try one? I am. I think me and you, Miss Stephanie, should try one. Which one do you want?
This one.
You want that one? I want to try this one. Tell me what you think about it. It's warm and that chocolatey is gooey. Is that a winner? You think you can make these at home for Mom and Dad? And let Mom work the oven because it's hot, okay?
Okay.
But I think you can do it.
You did a good job.
Mm-hmm. All right.
She can do it in the Ninja.
Mm-hmm. We let Mom and Dad try some of these. All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining us today. We certainly appreciate each and every one of you. And y'all, don't forget, and I'll put a link in the description box under this video. And if you haven't, think about going out and getting our cookbook. Stephanie and I, we just had so much fun working on this. And you see, there's one recipe per page. You have plenty of room to write notes. And we're just very proud of it. So we hope you'll think about getting you one. And please like, share, and subscribe to our videos. We enjoy having you in our kitchen each time we're here. And we hope you'll come back soon. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you. Carmyn, you going to come back and do it again with us?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. We'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.